Hello everyone, I Chirag Soni. We are making an healthy food like cheese chili. Let's start.
For this, we have taken 300 gram of cheese, 1 cup of gram flour, 2 onion, 1 capsicum, Szechuan sauce, tomato ketchup, soya sauce, and olive oil. Olive oil is good for health. Now you have to cut the cheese into the cube size. This size of cube you have to cut off the cheese. Now you have to add the olive oil into the pan. Now take a cup and add the gram flour, some black peppers, and a Ajinomoto. Now you have to add some water to make a thick batter of the gram flour. Now you have to take the piece of cheese, mix it in the batter and put it into the oil. You have to add all the cheese into the oil. When the cheese has taken a golden brown color, you have to take it out from the oil. Now you have to take the onion and cut it into the cube size. Now you have to take the capsicum and cut it into the square size, or you can also cut in the rectangular size like this. Now take another pan and turn the gas on. Now you have to add all the veggies into it. Now you have to add a little bit olive oil to it to bake the veggies. When you see that the veggies has been cooked, turn off the gas. Now you have to add the cheese to it. Now you can add the salt according to your taste. Add some Ajinomoto and black pepper. Add some tomato ketchup, Szechuan sauce, and the soya sauce to it. Mix it well. Now you have to cook for the 2 minutes more. Now the chichili has been ready. You can take it out in the plate. Now you can add an coriander leaf to it for a good decoration. Our healthy food cheese chili is ready.